Healthy, easy, fast snacks are high up on my list and many of my clients as well. So, in this blog, I have a really yummy recipe that I want to share, which is going to have you eating healthier, snacking healthier, and getting some of those cravings fixed as well. So, I have an almond butter energy bite recipe that I want to share. This is going to be super simple to make. You can actually keep some in the freezer and pull them out as you need it. You can pack them in your lunch, you can take them on road trips, have them at your desk. They're really going to help hit the spot, beat the cravings, give you a boost of energy, and they're really easy to make. So I'll pop the link here with the video. Click on over. I hope you love it. At the bottom of there, I'm going to give you a bunch more recipes. So the almond butter energy bites is definitely one of my most popular for my clients. But at the bottom, I'm going to give you free access to a library where I have tons more healthy recipes. So if you like where this one comes from, make sure you go over there and sign up for the rest. I can't wait to support you as you work towards being that healthier, happier version of you. And simple recipes like this can sure go a long way. So I hope you try it. Let me know if you do. I can't wait to hear from you.